Hello everyone, and welcome to our channel. If you're ready to conquer the Amazon FBA market and increase your online earnings, then you're in the right place. In this video, we reveal proven tips for excelling on Amazon in 2023. Maybe you're looking to start a new career, or simply boost your revenue streams. If that's the case, stay with us until the end. Before we dive in, let me tell you about an essential tool for your success on Amazon. Today, we're introducing HELIUM, an indispensable tool for identifying the most profitable products and tracking market trends. With HELIUM, market analysis becomes a breeze, and you can quickly pinpoint your next winning product. Take advantage of an exclusive offer for our subscribers. Get up to 40% off on HELIUM by using the code found in this video's description. Don't miss this opportunity to grow your business on Amazon. Now, get ready, as we're about to dive into the essential techniques of selling on Amazon FBA. Let's get started. First, let's dive into the world of Amazon FBA. This innovative program allows Amazon to handle logistics and customer service on your behalf. As a seller, you send your items to Amazon, which takes care of storage, packaging, and shipping, as well as managing returns and customer inquiries. It's an ideal solution for new sellers, as it eliminates tedious and repetitive tasks, allowing you to focus on selecting and selling quality products. Amazon FBA acts as a dedicated team at your service, simplifying the sales process and providing invaluable assistance. By joining the FBA program, sellers not only significantly reduce their workload but also often see a substantial increase in sales, typically around 40 to 50%. This is due to better visibility on the platform and access to Amazon's Prime service. A recent study shows that nearly two-thirds of Amazon's top sellers use this service, proving its effectiveness for success on the Amazon platform. You need to select the most promising products to sell on Amazon. Use market analysis tools such as HELIUM 10 or HELIUM to identify products with high growth potential while considering seasonal trends and customer feedback. Identifying the right products is fundamental to success on Amazon. Market analysis and product selection must be based on a deep understanding of current trends and consumer needs. For example, the market for eco-friendly and sustainable wellness products is currently very promising. You should anticipate seasonal trends to capitalize on temporary market opportunities. For example, products related to home comfort, such as heated blankets, are in high demand in winter. Furthermore, studying customer reactions to similar products can provide valuable insights into market expectations and help you refine your product strategy. Building strong relationships with reliable suppliers is essential to ensure product quality and supply stability. A good negotiation strategy can reduce your acquisition costs by 10 to 15%, directly increasing your profit margins. Experience shows that long-term relationships with Chinese suppliers can bring benefits such as more flexible payment terms and improved quality of purchased products. To find the best suppliers, explore platforms like Alibaba or Global Sources, and compare offers in terms of price, quality, and reliability. Effective communication is crucial. Try to organize regular meetings, in person or via video conference, to strengthen ties with your suppliers and create conditions for improved business relationships. It is wise, especially for those new to Amazon, not to rely on a single supplier for your products. By having multiple sources of supply, you reduce the risk of running out of stock in case of issues with a supplier, thus ensuring regular delivery of your products for sale.
Creating effective listings is essential to capture buyers' attention on Amazon. Start with descriptive and eye-catching titles that incorporate strategic keywords for better search ranking. Detailed descriptions and high-quality images are crucial for converting visitors into buyers. Include key information, such as features, benefits, and product specifications. Recent studies show that listings with professional quality images can increase sales by over 30%. Most importantly, conduct A/B tests on your listings to determine which images and descriptions work best. Also, make sure to collect and highlight positive customer reviews, as they play a major role in the purchasing decision on Amazon. You need dynamic pricing strategies, as competition is fierce on Amazon. Use dynamic pricing tools to adjust your prices according to competition and demand. Studies indicate that sellers who employ dynamic pricing strategies can see their profit margins increase by 20%. Monitor your competitors' prices and adjust yours to stay competitive while maintaining your margins. Most importantly, avoid engaging in a destructive price war. Focus on creating added value for your products, such as excellent customer service or bundle offers, to justify a higher price. Use Amazon-sponsored ads to increase your product's visibility. By leveraging advertising campaigns, you can enhance your brand recognition and drive more traffic to your listings. Promotions, like temporary price reductions or bundle offers, can boost sales and improve your product's rankings. Evaluate the effectiveness of your advertising campaigns by analyzing metrics such as cost per click, CPC, and conversion rate. Adjust your campaigns based on these insights to maximize return on investment.
To stimulate the continuous growth of your Amazon FBA business, it is crucial to develop and diversify your product range. Analyze market trends and consumer preferences to identify new product opportunities. For example, launching products complementary to those already successful can significantly increase your revenue. According to market studies, sellers who diversify their product offerings increase their revenues by an average of 35%. Most importantly, stay attentive to customer feedback on your current products to discover ideas for new products or improvements. As your business grows, automation becomes essential to efficiently manage the increase in order volumes in daily operations. Invest in automation tools for processes such as inventory replenishment, order management, and customer service. Statistics show that automation can reduce the time spent on administrative tasks by 20 to 30%. For example, regularly evaluate your processes to identify areas that can benefit from automation and simplify your workflow, thus improving efficiency and reducing operational costs. Data analysis is fundamental to guide your growth decisions. Use sales data, market trends, and competitive analysis to inform your product development and market expansion strategy. Advanced analytics can reveal valuable insights to optimize your marketing and pricing strategies. Invest in data analysis tools to better understand the performance of your products and quickly adapt your strategy to the evolving market.
Thank you for watching this video. If you found these insights helpful, please don't forget to leave a like. And remember to subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks on how to succeed in Amazon FBA. And before you go, I invite you to watch this new video. It has been specially selected for you. We hope to see you soon for more incredible content on selling in Amazon FBA.